Hello and welcome. Today we're going to set up a Buy X, Get Y custom discounts. There are two options available, an automatic discount or a discount code. For this demonstration, we'll opt for the automatic discount. Firstly, we'll set a title for the discount. You'll find options below to select the type of discount, which could either be a percentage, a fixed amount, or a fixed price applicable to your product Y. Next, we'll establish the conditions for product X. This can be adjusted according to your requirement. For this demonstration, we'll randomly select a collection. Here, you can specify the minimum number of product X items required to qualify for the discount on product Y. Once that's done, we'll set up the conditions for product Y. Here, we select a specific product to be discounted. You can choose a product that best suits your store's requirements. In this case, we'll select a gift card. You will also have the option to determine how many product Y items receive a discount once the conditions for product X are met. Following this, we need to set up the discount value. For this demonstration, we'll set it to 10%. You also have the option to limit how many times the discount can be applied per order. This can be adjusted according to your needs. Additionally, you can decide whether the discount should be applied to the cheapest or the most expensive product. Once this is done, there are a few eligibility rules you can establish, such as a minimum cart subtotal or market logged-in tags, etc. These can be set according to your requirements. Now, let's hit save and check how this appears on our test store. Let's clear the cart so that we can easily check the application of the discount. We had two products added, one for X and one for Y. Let's add both of them to the cart. Once that's done, we can view the cart. You'll notice that the discount is applied and visible. This is essentially how the automatic discount works. If you have any further queries, feel free to ask. We're here to help. Thank you.